everyone. So today is Saturday and we are on a little trip to Martins Beach. That's a beach near Half Moon Bay, but we've never been here and it looks quite stunning. We have beautiful weather. It's the last day of September and we have absolutely no clouds, which is awesome. So yeah, come with us and enjoy the views. Arrived at Martins Beach and it's really loud here. The surf is high, but it's beautiful. I'll show you. So behind me you can see the surf, and on the other side of the beach there are some rocks. So it's really stunning and the weather is awesome. We have the last day in September and we have almost no cloud, and I think it's 25 degrees with a nice breeze, so just awesome to relax.